know more about. I mean, no! Why the hell? I'm literally, this is the fourth take, dude. 안녕하세요 여러분, 인도에서 덕신아입니다. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And by the title of today's video, you know what we're doing. We're gonna react to what do Koreans think of India. And I am Indian. Wow, किसी को पता ही नहीं था. I know. मतलब मैं ऐसे थोड़ा रशियन दिखती हूँ. Blue eyes, hypnotized and all, but Indian हूँ मैं. So okay. I think at this point I need to give some disclaimer क्योंकि आज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पी. I'm gonna be super hyper, and super hyper kinda equals to super annoying, so it is what it is, okay? But anyways, let's get right into the video. And before that, I know आज बहुत swag, एकदम cool, एकदम dope वाला feel आ रहा होगा, या फिर I just look super stupid. But anyways, that's because एक good hair day वाला एक term होता है, and that does not apply to me today. It does not apply to me most of the days, but today especially not. इसके लिए ऐसा कैप से हम सब छुपाने वाले हैं इस तरह का जो भी सिचुएशन है. एंड विदाउट फर्दर डू मेरा तो चलते रहेगा बड़बड़. तो लेट्स गेट राइट इनटू द वीडियो. ओके, लेट्स गो. Well, I mean, I can't blame them क्योंकि इंडिया का खाना is in the most hygienic food. मतलब it depends on where you ate it from. अगर रास्ते से उठा के खाया तो definitely भाई हमको भी डायरिया हो जाता है कभी कभी. बट well, right off the back, I think the first thing that comes to Koreans' mind when they listen to the word India is curry. And I think that's fair enough. But I'm not necessarily very happy about it. But well, okay.
My friend, I have my Indonesian.
What? What is wrong with this guy? I think he's दूध पी के आया है शायद.
운동하면 생각나는 거? 하지만.
See, what is he doing, dude? He's definitely gotta be, or like he's just a crackpot like myself. So
하라나시. 네. 왜 그렇게 생각하는데요? 디스다.
Varanasi. That is the cutest pronunciation I've heard for Varanasi. Oh, cutie.
그냥 남자가 주도권을 많이 잡는 게 당연하다 생각을 하는
Okay, I think this is also a fair enough point.
인도 몇 명일 것 같아? 11억 깜막 13억. 아니 12억. 아 13억이라고.
I really like these two. I mean, I wanna be friends with them.
120만? 우리나라 인구가 진짜 아세요?
I feel like I can relate to this girl on another level because she seems like she does not know a lot of general knowledge, and that applies for me too. So if somebody just comes up to me and is like, can you tell me the population of this in this country, I'll be like,
1,000명. 아, 아니야.
she's so cute. So cute. Indian dollars. She's like, get me out of here, bro. Dude, take a hint. Just leave her alone. Why are you embarrassing her? Napun Saram. I mean, I'm not judging because again, मेरे को कोई ऐसे रास्ते पे रोक के बोलेगा कि इसका इस कंट्री का करेंसी क्या है, इस कंट्री का कैपिटल क्या है, then I might be reacting in the same way, so I'm not gonna judge. I know इस question का answer is gonna be shocker to all of them. Yeah. She's got that face when तुक्के में you write कुछ भी and then your answer is like correct and you get a very nice score on your papers and you know कि तुमने तो सब तुक्का मारा है. That's exactly what her expression looks like. I love how this guy is like so confident कि हाँ मुझे तो पता ही है हिंदी पंजाबी इंग्लिश so सही है. I like him. I think I'd love to be a part of this friend circle, you know what I'm saying? His reaction, oh my god. He's like मैं जवाब भी नहीं दिया भाई, बोलने तो दो मेरे को. Well, I mean, fair enough. I think they might have read about Gandhi a lot in maybe world history and all, so I think fair enough. Okay, I didn't know that for a fact, so. Where?
친구가 있어. 인도 살다 왔어. 아 진짜요? 어떻대요 이 친구가 있는? 시 종류가 너무 많아서.
I think the point of India not being safe is again fair enough, but I think it's also a stereotype because it really depends on where you go.
공부의 신이 있대요. 그래서 책을 던지면 안 된대요. 그래서 책 던지면 공부의 신이 화난다 해가지고.
Oh, that's true. Like you can't throw books, you can't step on books, you can't touch your books with your feet. I mean, that's what I meant, not step on books. Nobody will step on books because it's like an insult to Saraswati Devi. I think that's what my mother keeps telling us like bachpan se. So well, I'm impressed.
너무 맹생해가지고 자기가 좀 친구 중에 성욱이라는 애가 있는데 걔가 인도 여행을 갔다 와서 되게 철학적으로 은근히 역정하지 않았어? 물건이요? 저 인도 갔다 왔어요. 저한 달 반 갔다 왔어요. 한 달 반이요. 엄청 어떤 게 인도의 분위기가 볼 거는 별로 없는데 인도의 그 나라의 평화로운 분위기가 많아요. 또 한번
Again, I'm not sure where you visited because like in the north side and you know in northeastern states there's actually a lot to see. Even in South India there's so much you can see, dude. I don't know where you went, but next time you visit maybe you can go to a touristy place.
가고 싶으세요? 다시? 인도는 원래 한 번만 간다는 사람 없잖아요.
I think he's just covering up now.
Interview. Surprisingly, a lot of
This is me acting like I'm not butthurt, but I am butthurt. But anyways.
didn't know much about India, despite having the second most population in the world, and having all those Bollywood movies and all that interesting culture. But there were some answers that said they were interested in traveling India and learning the Indian culture. Even our friend June is going to go to India. I want to go to India. Yeah. So you guys got some kind of insight on what Koreans think
That's okay.
Here right now, there's 38 degrees. It's freaking hot. Sorry about that. But hope you guys understand and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And we will see you guys next time.
Yeah, honestly, that was a really sweet video. I mean, I know that Koreans do not know a lot about India, at least based on this video. But I think it's fair enough, because if you would ask me back in 2018, what are your thoughts on South Korea? South Korea ka currency kya hai? Capital kya hai? I wouldn't have been able to answer even this much. However, I feel, yes, there is some stereotypes, like, you know, it's not safe to travel to India, and then India's poor country and blah blah blah. So I think these stereotypes are definitely there, but again, maybe they just don't know much about India or never were interested in traveling to India. But again, that's like a handful of Koreans that were interviewed. So I mean, I'm just saying this so that people who are watching this do not feel offended or sad that, you know, they don't have a good picture of India, because I don't think that's true, because there are a lot of Koreans, in fact, who make videos on India and are interested in Indian culture. I think it's similar to how there are a few Indians who are interested in Korea. Not all Indians are. So I think it's totally fine, and I just watched this video for fun, just to see what the Koreans think about India. What is this irritating piece of hair? Okay, sorry. To see what they think of India. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think there's any need to be hurt or sad or whatever, dude. Come on, like, we need not be that petty. So this is all for fun, for entertainment, and see ya bloody soon. Annyeong.